Hello, good morning, good afternoon. It is evening on my end, but regardless of the time, be it morning, noon, or night, you're going to get this before the Nigerian stock market opens on Monday morning. I do this every week, running through the stocks I will be paying close attention um, in the coming weeks trading session. Before we dive in, thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment. I deeply appreciate you for doing so. Every time you do so, you help with pushing this content to a wider audience. I must always state that nothing I say, nothing you see on the channel is investment or trading advice. Please do your own research. Do not act on anything said in this channel. The criteria for the watch list is quite simple: highs, lows, range trading, large volumes, corporate actions. I would also say, so in case I forget this, that you may as well pay attention and go listen to the audio version. The audio version goes out before this, an hour before this goes out. And sometimes for this week, you're going to have a slightly different change of tone. The audio version may have a few more details. So whenever you watch this will be out at 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Audio version should be out around 6. Go take out the time. Spotify link is going to be is in my bio or profile on YouTube. I'd also drop it in the comments section. Follow on Spotify or wherever you listen: Spotify, Apple Podcast, YouTube Music. The audio version will always have more details, simply because it takes me less time to record audio and the technicalities involved are fewer. So let's get into it. UACN, UAC of Nigeria, first on my watch list this week. Earnings call will be holding tomorrow. I think it's 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Management will provide an update on the T transaction. I've done a couple of videos on UACN. I will not be doing another video on it, but depending on what management will say, at best I would have a Spotify episode. So again, if you're not following on Spotify audio, you are missing out a lot, because you will have more content there than on the channel, at least from now to next year. Next year, depending on what the team has been pushing, we want to do more stuff, but we need to get the mechanics right. So UACN earnings call, analysts and earnings call. Yeah, because obviously they're going to discuss earnings and all that. It's supposed to be analyst and investor call, but you get the gist. Fidelity Bank awaiting 9-month 2025 numbers. There will be a Fidelity Bank video first thing tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Nigerian time. You don't want to miss that as well. But I'm waiting the 9-month 25 numbers. If the numbers are out tomorrow, I would do a Spotify episode on the 9 month numbers, but I'm not going to have a video. But there'll be a video on the H1 numbers. H1 video will be out tomorrow. So for me, I'm awaiting the 9-month 2025 results. What will those results tell me? Current state of retained earnings, will they flip positive? I doubt it, because you would need this firm to have made over 70 billion naira in Q3 profit to get the retained earnings back in the green. I don't see that happening. But I'm interested also in the current quarterly profit run rate. That run rate would let me know how long, how many quarters it would take to get these companies' retained earnings back in the green. I'm also interested in the call. I believe management should hold a call after those numbers are out. So we'll watch out this week if the numbers will be out this week. ASO savings seems to be range training between the 90 kobo, 110, 120 mark. Let's see if that will continue this week. Seplat and Aradel are on my watch list, because there's this tug of war I've been seeing between the pros and the cons, the oil bulls and the oil bears. The bulls believe there is a shortfall in crude oil supply. The bears believe that there is more than surplus supply. Both sides may be right, both sides may be wrong. And whichever way it is, I will continue to pay attention to that market. I do that. I'm considering maybe dedicating Saturdays to commodities and crypto and commodities. Maybe do a roundup of some sort. So that's what I'm going to be doing. There is also the geopolitical issues between Russia and Ukraine. I think there was an attack on Russian crude oil facilities at some point in time. Now, so that debate goes on. Are we in a glut market for crude oil? Are we in a market with a shortfall? We continue to watch that, and I do watch these two firms because they are in the upstream oil and gas space. And so, whatever it is, if it's positive or negative, we'll see how it goes as well. NCR and Unicel closed at an all-time high of 72.8 and 25.6 respectively. Illiquid stocks, I don't get why these stocks are trading, why they've gotten so high. I feel sorry, I must say, for retail investors who are here. If you're here, getting out is going to take you a while to do so. I know that when will profit taking begin? That I don't know. But such an illiquid set of stocks it's going to be difficult for people to get out. More importantly, I also wonder what is driving the movement in these stocks. For more content, greentickertales.com. You can find it, that's the website. I have an article, a brief article on Fidelity Bank's why Fidelity Bank didn't pay an interim dividend, as I've explained here. So there's an article up there. I'm also considering maybe I'm going to do a downstream oil and gas article, put all of them together. And there's podcasts, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. You want to follow those as well. All links are in my bio. Just check the bio on YouTube. You would find it there. Thank you all for joining. I wish you a profitable day ahead. See you in Spotify in a few minutes.